everyone, welcome back to Addie's Learning Zone. Now let's see the phonic sounds of alphabets. The phonic sounds of alphabets. We have both the case letters, which is uppercase and lowercase letters. Some people say it as a capital letters and small letters. Capital letters and small letters. Capital letters are nothing but uppercase letters and small letters are called lowercase letters. Let's see the letters. A. A says a, a, a. B. B says b, b, b. C. C says k, k, k. D. D says d, d, d. E. E says a, a, a. F. F says f, f, f. And Z. Z says g, g, g. H. H says h, h, h. I says e, e, e. J. J says z, z, z. Letter K. K, k, k. L. L says l, l, l. M. M says m, m, m. N. N says n, n, n. O. O says o. O says o, 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 o. P says p, p, p. Q says qua, qua, qua. R says r, r, r. And S says s, s, s. T says t, t, t. U says U says a, 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 a. V says v, v, v. W says v, v, v. X says x, x. Y says and Z, Z, or some of them say it as a Z, and the phonic sound is Z, 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 Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next I want you to sing with me. Right? I know many of you know this rhyme, which teaches us the alphabets of English. Right? Thank you for watching, and if you want individual videos of the phonic letters, please do watch my playlist. And also, I say some things, alphabets of the English, some are having a 2-2 soundings. That way, the videos will be very soon in our channel. So please do share, subscribe and comment your valuable comments. Thank you. See you soon.